guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Leann, and for those of you who aren't new, welcome back, guys. So if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so, guys. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, and if you want to be notified every time I do an upload, click the little bell notification next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I do an upload and you won't miss any more nice hair tutorial videos that I got to put out. So this video is going to be another protective style video. It's another ponytail video, but this time we're going high. As you guys can see, I already molded my hair up, but I'm gonna do an invisible bang. So this is an old school style I've been doing for a couple years. It's been a while since I did, but I always love doing it. It lasts a really long time, like a whole week and probably a couple of days, probably 2 weeks, kind of stretching it if you take care of it really good. So I just want to share with you guys how I achieved this look, and I hope you guys love it. I already said my prayer before I start the video, as you all know, that it comes out good. If you guys haven't seen my previous videos before where I mold up my hair, I'm gonna link them up above and down in the description box so you guys can check them out. I basically just mold my hair upward, just comb everything up and then just section it and then put the gel, and I use my old school ampoule styling gel to gel up my hair. And you're free to use whatever gel you wish. I just choose to use ampoule because that one no flake on me and it lasts pretty long. So yeah, let's get right into this video. I'm just gonna start by taking some Kanekalon braiding hair and anchoring it onto my little ponytail that I have up here, so it could give my drawstring ponytail some height. And the drawstring ponytail I'm using is the one I used in my last video, the Freetress 22-inch Yaki straight ponytail. I'll be using it. I bought it, like, it's been a week since I had it. I've been wearing it. I wore it, you know, last week. So I'm gonna put it on again, but we're doing a different style. So just gonna anchor on my braiding hair. And if you guys hearing that kind of noise, that's Leela. She in the cage right across from me, and she'd just be making a weird noise. Like, girl, you know I filming. Okay. So I'm just gonna anchor it on here like that. And then I'm gonna just wrap it around my hair because I don't feel like pinning up nothing. And wrapping it. Just to make sure we're secure. And be careful with pins, guys. If you tender-headed, and some people tender-headed and they can't take pins, but these are the pins. I have them in my Amazon store and have the little bubble bead at the end. So these are good for, you know, sensitive scalp people that can't really take pins, hairpins in their hair. Okay, so that's good. So for the bang, I'm gonna be using some bump hair. I know what bump hair is. Let me see. Can you see? Okay, I'm gonna be using some bump hair for my bang because, you know, it got that bump. So I want my bang to be nice and full and come, like, you know, this way, like that. And I'm gonna be gluing it in. So one thing before you start this style, when you're doing your gel mold up, what you can do is take some paper. I'm gonna link it here somewhere in the video, and you can put a strip right here in the middle for where you can put your bang. But me, I'm gonna just glue my zone on because I haven't had any problem with doing it that way. And I also have my 30 seconds super hair bond remover. This is what I use. This is what I use for taking out last week's style when I add in the weave for the bang. So it works in 30 seconds and it didn't leave any glue in my hair, and it was easy to come out. The track was easy to come out. It just slid out after I massage it in. She come out good. So I'm gonna be using some bump hair in the color 1B. I buy the 8-inch bump hair, and this is a big, I didn't want such a big pack, but this is all my local beauty supply store had. So I got to see. Yeah, it's a whole thing. So this is how it looks. Bump here. And then it's like a whole kit you could use to make a cap. I am rubbing in it. So see how it has like the bump? That's why we get a bump here. I guess you could use regular weave too. I want to do some like And I like my bangs to be full, so I'm gonna do from here, starting from here to here, and then go upward. And as I go upward, it's gonna get smaller and smaller. So I have like a little indent here from time my like you can see you got space. So that's kind of my guide. I didn't intend for that to be there, but that will be my guide. So from here to like right here, and then as I go up, it's gonna get shorter. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a link. It's gonna be my first piece. So I'm gonna leave every product that I use down in the description box for you guys to go check out if you're interested in getting any of them or knowing what to get when you go to the beauty supply store. So I'm gonna cut them, about 2 or 3 of them this length. And also I forgot to mention that I do have my hair dryer hair, so when I put on the track and I spray some of my Pump It Up, I have my Pump It Up, I'm gonna spray some Pump It Up on the track where I glue it and then dry it with a hair dryer. So yeah, tools I forgot to mention. But like I said, all the tools and everything will be down below in the description box. So I'm gonna place my first track right here. So this, my first track is down, and I didn't put it close, nowhere close near my hairline, if you could see. It's above, way above my hairline. So as you can see, it covers, the next track is going to cover where I placed the first one. And I'm just going to put it probably like 1 inch up from it. So I'm going to place the other one just above, right there. So before I put on this one, I'm gonna cut some more. And that's basically like lining them up on top of each other like this. Like line them up. This is the one I cut, and I just line it up to the track. To the length I want it. And then I cut it. And if you want, you could add some color in here. I do have some gold that I could add, but I don't think I have enough gold to add. Should I put gold? Should I put gold? Should I? Just to show I. Okay. Let me go see how much pieces I have. Okay, so I just went for my bag of hair. And I got kind of hair here. Mostly like current one. See, I had another bump hair in here, but I think this is a number 1. And this one a different brand bump hair. See how smart it is. But I think this one is a 12-inch and this is like 8-inch. See, I have some more. Okay, I haven't used these. So this is how, yeah, this is how it come wrap up in a weft. And then I just cut. So I had this hair for a couple of years, you know. Okay then. And then you can add some here. And then it's gonna be like that. And then I add the black on top. Should I be extra? I don't know. Yeah, I sure I used this gold hair in my video where I had to with the different styles you could put. This is the same gold hair, piece of gold hair. So I could put that. And then a black would go on top. So it'll be mixed in. But I don't know if I want to be extra. Do I want to be extra? It'll be mixed in there like that. Do I wanna be extra? I think I am. I think I might do it. Just a little touch. Just to get a little flavor, you know, like it's been a while. Last time I had go with that last video. Yeah, so I can put a gold in. That's it for the bang for right now until later when we go share it, like cut it down. I'm gonna put on the ponytail now and do the wraparound. So thank you guys so much for joining me here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified every time I do an upload. Once again, if you want to see more hair tutorials from me, I'm going to leave them linked down above and down below in the description box. You guys stay blessed, be safe, and I'm going to see you guys over there. Take care.